Please welcome Catherine and Alden!
It's finally happening.
It is.
Grabe, ngayon lang nagsisink in sa amin actually. Kasi sinabi ko kanina pa, kagabi pa ako kinakabahan. I don't know why. Maybe it's more of excitement and halo-halong emotion. But then seeing everybody here, ramdam na ramdam namin yung support at excitement nyo. And parang yun nag-fuel sa amin na makapagsulat ulit sa Ate Carly. And kami mag-start na kami mag-shoot soon. You know, it's not gonna be easy, but then here we are. This is so exciting. You know, we thought we already said our goodbyes, but here you are saying our hellos.
Again, of course, to our bosses also in ABS, Sir CLK and Tita Cory, thank you so much. Direk and Kath, na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko tong film, Carmi, Tala. Tala kasi tawag namin sa kanya eh. Kaya,